Hi dear students middle 3 and welcome back to the science video. Today we'll speak about unit 4, the last unit we have in our curriculum, which speak about biology. Of course you know that next year in senior 1 you will no longer have science as a subject. You will have science as 3 subjects. It will divide into 3 subjects: biology, chemistry and physics, of course. And you should know which type of science, which branch of science you study now. So unit 4 is a biology. Biology study everything about living organisms, everything about our human body, our internal structure of human body, or internal structure of any living organism. So today we will speak about the cell. Today we will speak about the cell, of course, and a specific thing in the cell is called cell division. And we will know how the cell divide into new cells, how the cell can produce new cells, how our human body can regenerate, how our hair can be elongated, and grow up. So today these are our topics. But before anything, we should know how many types of cell we have in our human body, or in all living organisms, even in animals or plants. How many types of cell we have? We have 3 types of cells. So types of cells. Yeah. Okay, we have 1 and 2, 3 main types of cells. This first one is called somatic, and the second one is called reproductive. Okay. So types of cells, somatic and reproductive. It's easy. But I can ask you a question. What's the meaning of somatic? Okay, it's a different word. Somatic means any cell in your human body beside the 2 main cells of reproduction. I didn't mean that. Okay, let's begin with reproductive. Reproductive cells, like cells in testes, like cell in ovaries, okay, like cell in anthers, like in plants. Of course you got it in middle too. Testes, ovaries and anthers, they are reproductive cells. Somatic, any other cell in our human body, like liver, like stomach, like skin, like nail, like your hair, any other thing besides testes, ovaries and anthers. Easy? I think it is. Okay, so again we have 2 main types of cells: the somatic and reproductive. Somatic like liver, skin; reproductive like testes, ovaries and anthers. Okay, let's add something else to them. We can add it to them. Okay, not this. Okay, something is called gametes. Gametes are cells that are produced by using the reproductive organs. Yeah, by using the testes we produce sperms. So sperms are gametes, sperms. By using of ovaries we produce ovum. So ovum are gametes. By using of anthers plants produce pollen grains. So pollen grains are gametes. So these are different types of gametes: sperms, ovum and pollen grains. Sperms, ovum in animals, pollen grains in plants, and also ovum in plants. So ovum in plants and animals, sperms only in animals, in the human, of course, 1 type of animal, pollen grain in plants. Okay, that's great. So let's add this to them. So gametes also a type of cell in our human body or the living organisms' bodies. Okay, let's minimize this. Okay, let's minimize this. Okay, so these are the types of cells: somatic, reproductive, and gametes. Okay, that's great. Let's show the structure of our human cell, of any animal cell. If you can see, this is the membrane of the cell. So this is cell membrane. Inside the cell we have some somehow big ball. It's called the nucleus. This nucleus has a membrane also. Membrane means a wall. So this nucleus has a membrane. This is called nucleus, membrane. Okay, inside the nucleus we have two main components. The first one, nuclei, and we also have some thread-like shape. Is called chromatid reticulum. It's called chromatid reticulum. So we have nuclei, chromatid reticulum inside the nucleus, which is surrounded by nucleus membrane. Okay, outside the nucleus we have something like a ball, two balls called centrosome. Okay, so we have two centrosomes outside the nucleus, inside the cell. Okay, easy, easy, little squeezy. So these are the components of cells which we need. Of course, there are many other components inside the cell, but they are which we need in our lesson. First thing, cell membrane and nucleus membrane, and inside the nucleus we have nucleolus, and we have chromatid reticulum. Chromatid reticulum. Okay. Okay. Let's type them. Chromatid reticulum. Okay, and we have nucleolus. Let's type them. Nucleolus, and we also have centrosomes. Centrosomes. Okay, so these are the components of that cell. These are the components of that cell. Okay, let's minimize them. Of course, we will need them later in the cell division, but let's minimize them right now. Okay. Any question right now? Of course not. If you have a question, you can text me or tell me anytime in our school. Okay. Now we have something inside the nucleus. It's called chromatin reticulum. As we said, this chromatin reticulum is very long, very tall, but during the cell division, it is condensed together to form something is called chromosome. Of course, you can hear about the chromosome before, but today we will take a revision of it. Okay, it is like this. This is the structure of the chromosome. Like this. Okay, in the middle of the chromosome we have something here is called centromere. It's called centromere, where it attaches the chromosome with each other. Okay, we have in this chromosome two sides. Left, let's draw it by green, and another left one also by green, and right, let's draw it by another color, say yellow. Okay, it's bad one. Let's okay, so this is our chromosome. So chromosome consists of two sides, left and right, left and right. Both of these sides you can say it is chromatid. So all of this is called chromosome. Chromosome. This chromosome consists of two chromatids. Chromatids. Okay, so each chromosome consists of two chromatids. What are these two chromatids? The first one and the second one. Easy, I think it's easy. In the middle of the chromosome, we have a disc is called centromere. Centromere. Okay, I think it's easy, measy, little squeezy. So let's highlight it. First thing, chromosomes. Chromosomes are found inside the nucleus of any cell in our human body. Okay, each chromosome consists of two chromatids. Each two chromatids are linked together by centromere. Okay, that's another drawing. These chromosomes carry the genetic information of us, of any living organisms. These chromosomes are very, very important to our living organisms. Okay. How many chromosomes in our human body cell? Our human body cell consists of 46 chromosomes. Okay, can I ask you a question? Does the rabbit, for example, has the same chromosome that we have in our human body? Of course not. Rabbits have only 44. Mosquitoes have only 6. Maize, corn, has 20. Onion has 16. Of course, this number is not for saving, but just for knowing. Okay, let's zoom in this chromosome. We can see that this chromosome consists of two main things. The first thing is called DNA. Oh my god. If there is a difference between DNA and the chromosome, of course there is a difference between DNA and the chromosomes. DNA, and we also have something called protein. Okay, of course you heard about protein. But, so we have DNA and protein. Okay, protein, I know protein, but what is DNA? DNA is like this. Of course, you see this structure before. Yeah, of course you see it. Okay, something like this. This is DNA. So this chromosome consists of two main things, DNA and protein. Okay, this now. And this protein merges the DNA together to make the chromosome. Okay, so we have nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have chromosomes. The chromosomes consist of DNA and protein, and each cell in our human body consists of 46. This is for saving. This is for knowledge. Okay, I think it's easy lesson to now. We will continue next week, inshallah. And goodbye, and see you next week, my lovely students. Bye bye.